Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Hashim and today video I'm going to show you how I do replace shock absorber for Mercedes GL500. Please like, subscribe and comment and tell me something in comment. Push the like button for me is very important, yeah? Thank you very much. Let's begin job, enjoy watching and learn something today. if the swiper link turning, better to use spanner and Allen key. The swiper link is not turning because there's pressure from next side suspension. Yeah, but if there is no pressure, I have to hold it with the Allen key and undo it with the spanner. Make sure don't use the air tool when tighten the swiper link. Use the Allen key tool to hold and spanner to tighten the nut for the swiper link. Be careful, using the jack to lift up the swiper can cause car to fall down from the hoist if you don't know what are you doing. So be careful, this is dangerous if you don't know what are you doing. Remember, safety first, always. If you don't know what are you doing, you will hurt yourself. Be careful. You see, I am lifting up the control arm a little bit, not too much, the same like the swiper link. Lifting up a little bit, because if lifting up too much, the car will go high and can cause the car to fall down from the hoist. Safety first, yeah? I think it's nice of you to push the like button now. Thanks.